Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. Now we are going to learn about exercise 7.6 fractions class 6. Now let us see the first question. Solve A 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7, B 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15, C1 is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. D 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. E1 is 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. F1 is 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. Now let us see the A1, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Now A1 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Here the denominators are not equal and also the numerator are also not equal, means they are unlike fractions. So we cannot add the numerators here simply. So then first we have to make the denominators are equal, means we have to convert the fractions are like fractions. First we find the LCM of 3 and 7. First, LCM of 3 and 7 is 3 7 21 because they are prime factors only. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So, first fraction is 2 by 3. Here, the denominator first fraction 3. Here 3, how many times makes 21? That is 7. Means, so we multiply both numerator and denominator by 7 into 2 into 7 plus by 3 into 7 plus 1 by 7. Here 7 how many times makes 21? That is 3 times. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 1 into 3 by 7 into 3. This is equal to 2 7 14 by 3 7 21 plus 1 3 is 3. 7 3 21. Here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators by keeping same denominator. That is equal to 14 plus 3 by 21. That is equal to 14 plus 3, it is equal to 17 by 21. So therefore 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7, it is equal to 17 by 21. Okay. Now let us see the B1. 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Here also the denominators are not equal and also numerators are also not equal. Means they are unlike fractions. They are unlike fractions. So we cannot add the numerators here simply. So first we have to make the denominators are equal, means we have to convert the fractions are like fractions. First we find the LCM of 10 and 15 here. 10 and 15. First you take in 5 table. 5 2s, 5 3s. Okay. Now LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. It is equal to 5 2s 10, 10 3s 30. Therefore LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now the first fraction is 3 by 10. The denominator is 10. 10 how many times makes 30? Is 3 times. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, keeping the same denominator. 3 into 3 by 10 into 3 plus 7 by 15. Here 15 how many times makes 30? That is 2 times. 15 to the 30. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 7 into 2 by 15 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30, 7 2s are 14, 15 2s are 30. Here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators by keeping the same denominator, that is 9 plus 14 by 30. That is equal 9 plus 14 is 23 by 30. Therefore 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15, it is equal to 20 by 30. Now let us see the C1. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here also the denominators are not equal and also numerator also not equal. Means they are unlike fractions. So we cannot add the numerators here simply. So first we have to make the denominators are equal, means they convert the fractions are like fractions. First we find the LCM of 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3. First you take 3 table, 3 2s are 3 1s are. So therefore LCM is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Therefore LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now first fraction is 5 by 6. In the denominator 6. 6 how many times makes 6? Only one time. So no problem. Here minus 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. 3 how many times makes 6? That is 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So we multiply both denominator and numerator by 2. 1 into 2, 3 into 2. That is equal to 5 by 6 minus 1 to the 2, 3 to the 6. Here the denominators are equal. So simply we subtract the numerator by keeping the same denominator. That is 5 minus 2 by 6. 5 minus 2 is 3 by 6. Here 3 by 6 is simplest form is 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. Therefore 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3, it is equal to 1 by 2. Next D1. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So here also the given fractions are not like fractions. Means their denominators are not equal. So we should make them like fractions. Means we have to make the denominators are like fractions are equal. So let us find the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. First in 2 table 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Therefore LCM is 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Therefore LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. Now let us take first fraction, that is 2 by 3 into 3 how many times get 12? That is 4 times. 3 4 are 12. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. That is 2 into 4 by 3 into 4 plus 3 by 4. Here 4. 4 how many times makes the 12? That is 3 times. 4 3 are 12. So we multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator. That is 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Here 2 how many times makes 12? That is 6 times. 2 6 are 12. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6. 1 into 6 by 2 into 6. 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12, 2 3 3 is 9, 3 4 3 is 12 plus 1 into 6 6, 2 6 is 12. So here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators by keeping the same denominator. That is 8 plus 9 plus 6 by 12. That is equal to 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 by 12. Therefore, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, it is equal to 23 by 12. Okay. Now let us see even, that is 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. Here these are mixed fractions. First we take the whole numbers and add them. We can final parts and we can convert the improper fraction. We can add them. So first let us convert the given mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So then first 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3, that is equal to, first 1 by 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3 plus 3 threes are 9 plus 2 11 by 3. Now here the denominators are equal, so simply we add the numerators. That is equal to 4 plus 11 by 3, that is equal to 15 by 3. 15 by 3. Here in the simplest form is 3 ones are 3 fives are. So simply we write 5. Okay. 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3, it is equal to 5. So now 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. So here also they are mixed fraction. So first we can convert the improper fraction. So then we can add them. So let us first convert the given fraction, mixed fraction, into the improper fraction. So then first 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 2 14 by 3 plus 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4. Now here the denominators are not equal. So first let us find the LCM of 3 and 4. Therefore LCM of 3 and 4 is directly 12. They are prime factors only. Okay. Now let first take first fraction 14 by 3. In this 3 how many times makes 12? That is 4 times. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 plus 13 by 4. Here 4 how many times? Sorry, here 3 4 ja 12. So you take 4. 4 how many times makes 12? That is 3 times. 4 3 ja 12. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. That is equal to 4 4 ja 56 by 12 plus 13 3 ja 39 by 12. That is equal to 56 plus 39, that is 95 by 12. Okay. Therefore 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4, it is equal to 95 by 12. Now let us see the second question, that is Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. And what is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Now we find the what is the total length of the ribbon they bought. They means Sarita and Lalita. Solution. First ribbon length bought by Sarita, that is 2 by 5 meter, and ribbon length bought by Lalita, that is 3 by 4 meter. Now the total length of the ribbon bought by both of them. Both means Lalita and Sarita, that is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now here the denominators are not equal. So first let us find the LCM of 5 and 4. Therefore the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now the first fraction is 2 by 5. First you take 5, the denominator. 5 how many times makes 20? That is 4 times. So we multiply by both denominator and numerator by 4. That is 2 into 4 by 5 into 4 plus 3 by 4. 4 how many times makes 20? That is 5 times. 4 5s are 20. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. That is equal to 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 4 5s are 20. Here the denominators are equal, so simply we add the numerators. That is 8 plus 15 by 20. 8 plus 15 it is equal to 23. 23 by 20 meter. So therefore the total length of the ribbon bought by both Sarita and Lalita is 23 by 20 meter. Okay. Now let us see the third question. That is Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Now we find the total amount of cake was given the both Nazma and Naina. Okay. First, the fraction of cake Naina got 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. This changing into improper fraction. That is 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Now next, fraction of cake Nazma got 1 by 3. This is also mixed fraction. Now change to improper fraction. That is 3 1s are 3 plus 1 by 4. 4 by 3. Now the total amount of cake given to both of them, that is 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Here the denominators are not equal, so we find the LCM of 2 and 3. Taking the LCM of 2 and 3 is directly 6 because they are prime factors. 2 3s are 6. Now the first fraction is 3 by 2. Here 2 how many times? 6. That is 3 times. 2 3s are 6. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. That is 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 plus 4 by 3. 3 how many times makes 6? That is 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. That is equal to 3 into 3 9 by 6 plus 4 2s are 8 by 6. So here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators by keeping the same denominator. That is 9 plus 8 by 6. That is equal to 9 plus 8. That is 17 by 6. This also mixed. This is improper fraction. This changing into mixed fraction. That is equal to 6 to the 12. Remainder is 5. So 2 remainder 5 by divisor 6. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 5 17 by 6. Okay. Now the total amount of cake given to both Nazma and Naina is 5 by 6. Okay students? Okay students, if you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and hit the bell icon also.